Bugal kang probinsya kag mga kapulisan ang ginated ni SPO1 Joey Castillon, Police Community Relations Officer kang Tobias Fournier PNP. Kung sa diin sarata na sa 10 most outstanding policeman in service kang Metrobank Foundation. Ginpasidenggan kang Antique Police Provincial Office sa pagpamuno ni Provincial Director Police Senior Superintendent Roberto Floro Jr.
In Police Community Relations and for being chosen as one of the 10 awardees of the Search for Country's Outstanding Policemen in Service or COPs by the Metrobank Foundation Incorporated through the simple token, a lampshade, which symbolizes brilliancy and excellence in community service worthy of emulation. His accomplishments put the Antique Police Provincial Office on the limelight and earned a lot of admiration. May you continue to shine and be a good example to all the PNP members as we continue our mandate to serve and protect the community. Congratulations again.
Tuigan dyan nga ginapatigayon kang Metrobank Foundation sa pagkilala ka mga kapulisan sa serbisyo kag programa nga ginatugro nanda sa komunidad. Para sa Ko Patrol, Peter Saldivar.